Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review about car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound. Maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle is a priority for any car enthusiast. However, the road can be unforgiving, leaving behind unsightly scratches and swirl marks that dull the once pristine finish of your car. In the quest for a solution, the car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound emerges as a promising contender. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the efficacy, ease of use, and overall performance of this product. The primary criterion for any scratch and swirl remover is its ability to effectively eliminate imperfections and restore the paintwork to its former glory. The car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound impresses with its remarkable efficacy in tackling various levels of scratches and swirls. From minor surface abrasions to more stubborn marks, this compound demonstrates consistent results. The microabrasive technology employed in this product works to gradually diminish imperfections without causing harm to the underlying paint. Testing the compound on a range of scratches, including those inflicted by minor keying and parking lot incidents, yielded impressive outcomes. The compound managed to noticeably reduce or completely eliminate the majority of imperfections, providing a renewed luster to the treated areas. Ease of use. An effective car care product should not only deliver results but also be user-friendly, catering to both novices and experienced detailers. The car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound stands out in this regard, offering a straightforward application process. The compound comes in an easy-to-use bottle with clear instructions, making it accessible for those with limited detailing experience. The consistency of the product strikes a good balance, allowing for easy spreading without excessive dripping. The application can be done by hand or with a polishing machine, providing flexibility to users with varying preferences and equipment. During application, the compound exhibits a controlled abrasive action, preventing any risk of over-polishing or damaging the paint. This user-friendly nature ensures that even beginners can achieve professional-looking results without the need for extensive training or specialized tools. Performance on different paint types. Automotive enthusiasts often face the challenge of dealing with different paint types, each requiring specific care. The car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound proves versatile in this aspect, demonstrating compatibility with various paint finishes. Whether your car boasts a traditional clear coat, single-stage paint, or a ceramic coating, this compound adapts well to the specific requirements of each. It doesn't compromise the integrity of the paint or the protective layers, ensuring a safe and effective application across diverse surfaces. Long-term results and durability. A noteworthy aspect of any polishing compound is its ability to provide long-lasting results. After applying the car scratch and amp, swirl remover polishing compound, the treated areas exhibited sustained brilliance, and the restored finish remained intact even after exposure to environmental elements.